Hello friends, we are starting today's thrifting adventure at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. I have not been in here for a really long time, so I wanted to pop in to see what they had. So the first thing that got my attention at the Restore were these pair of floor lamps right here. I thought they were in really good condition. I couldn't think of anywhere I could use them in my home, but I did want to share them with you guys. I thought they were priced really well at only $25 a piece. If you are new here to my channel, my name is Jessica and I like to go thrifting for home decor, things that I can use in my home, and I do like to pick up gifts for friends and family. If you enjoy this type of thrifting content, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. I did end up purchasing 2 items from the Restore on today's trip, and I also popped into Goodwill and I found 1 item there. I will share with you everything that I purchased from both stores at the end of today's video. And let me know which of these items that I shared today were your favorite. I would love to know down in the comments. So the main reason that I stopped into the Restore today was to check out their planter selection. I'm doing a little bit of redecorating on my back patio, so I wanted to pick up a couple of planters. I had no luck today. I only found this one here. It was $8 with 20% off. It really didn't match my style, so I left it behind. The only other options they had for planters were these really small ones here, and most of the ones in here were pretty much junk. Okay, so I could not leave this adorable little pottery piece behind. It was $1 with 40% off, so I got it for 60 cents. I thought it was so cute. And here is the stamp that was on the bottom of it. I'm not really familiar with it, but I thought it was adorable and I thought it would make a great little Q-tip holder. And as you can see, I have it styled on my vanity shelf. That was also a little thrift find. I think it looks adorable, especially with the trinket tray that I found in last week's video. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it here at the top of the screen. And the only other item that I brought home from the restore was a small shepherd's hook. It was $2 with 20% off, so I got it for $1.60. So for right now, I have the shepherd's hook inside of one of my pots here. In the pot, I have a small persimmon tree that I got last year. Eventually, I will plant the tree in the ground. I just haven't found the right spot that I want to plant it. And I did add one of my solar lanterns to the hook. For right now, it will do, but I definitely want to look for a smaller one. I think this one is a little bit too big. So after I went to the restore on this particular day, I also hit up Goodwill. It was a little bit picked over when I went, so there wasn't many home decor items that were interesting to show you guys, but I did walk out of the store with one unexpected item today, so I was really happy to find what I found. So I don't really have much luck when it comes to thrifting clothes. Occasionally I get lucky and I find something that I like, but today I happened to look in the clothing bins. Everything in this bin is $1.69, and I found two really cute pairs of shorts. One was J. Crew and one was Ann Taylor Loft. I normally don't really do patterns, but I wanted to try these. And I also found a random pair of Gap jeans that I took into the dressing room with me as well. Jeans are $3.89. I almost got the jeans, but I ended up leaving them behind. They were a little bit too low rise for me, but I did walk out with the blue and white patterned J. Crew shorts. Like I mentioned earlier, they were $1.69 and I loved how they fit. I paired it with a white tank top, some tan sandals, and also a thrifted purse. You might remember that from a video a couple of years ago. It came together as a cute little summer outfit, and I will definitely be wearing this summer. So that is everything that I found thrifting at Restore and Goodwill today, and my thrift haul inspector Peanut did approve of all of my purchases today, and she wanted to say hi to everyone watching. We appreciate you watching today's video. We hope it inspires you to go out and go thrifting for yourself. You never know what's waiting out there for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a new thrifting video.